Hello, welcome, Alabama Yor. Now, today, we're starting off the stream a little bit differently. Who is this? Who are my hands? I apologize for my fingernails, they're gross, because I bite them. But I got a parcel. And I have not been able to afford this sort of stuff for a very long time. I wanted to get the main thing in this collection, but I never was able to get other things. And obviously, I've also got something from a new collection. So, very fun. I've never done an unboxing, and this is probably going to just be on a highlight on my makeup channel. But, yeah, my makeup channel. Haven't really posted there in a while. But, let's do it, shall we? Let's do it. Hello to everyone. Hello, Priya. Hello, Winter Rose. I'm going to try not to cut anything. You could hear these sounds. I've never done... I literally only just got this parcel. Just then, I had to go and pick it up because the postman didn't knock on my door or, I don't know, send me a message, which they should do. They just literally dropped a card in my box and drove away. And I was like, cool. I have to walk down and get it now. But that's okay. It was a beautiful day, sunny day. Anyway, back to positivity. Very excited to be opening this. It took a while for me to actually be able to afford. Oh my goodness! I got foam. This is exciting. Okay, I'm gonna try and get it into the frame somehow. Look, you're not cooperating. Okay, like you just need to settle down and just cooperate. Oh my god, it's pushing it away. There we go, under the monitor. That'll work. Okay. Alright. Ooh! Oh god, it's got my details on it. It does have my details, that's okay. Thanks for that. It's alright. I'll just blow that out. Alright, well, first order is this baby here. Please focus. Ooh. Now I'm gonna probably open this and just have a quick squeeze at it. My god, it's pretty. Alright. Hello, Danny Phantom. Hello, Aaron. Hello, Winter Rose. I'm gonna do it this way because it's a little easier. Oh my god, open, please. Alright. Oh my goodness. Ooh, the crocodile skin. This reminds me of Far Cry, which we will be playing in a little while. Oh. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. Nice. Okay. Get that protective thing off. Give the satisfaction. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so shiny. Okay, how do we open this? They all have a different way of being opened. So, let's just open it first. Okay. It's not going well. It's not going to be very good if we can't open it. Oh dear. Is it out? Is it in? Oh, it's just one. One, okay. There we go. So we only put one to the side. Ah! Oh. Oh! So cool! So exciting. Okay, I'm gonna keep the plastic slip in there because I want to play with it later and just keep it nice for as long as I can. Yes. That is the Blood Money palette. Finally. Finally got it. I'll just put that there. Really nice packet. Like, as always, Jeffree Star just has the best box concepts. Like, it's gorgeous. We've got like the little crime and punishment symbol there. Yeah, no, gorgeous. Very cool. Very shiny. like shiny. Okay, what else? Other goodies have we got in here? Okay. Well, this has been a long time coming too. Finally. Okay. Okay, let's open this up. I'm trying to open it up so that you guys can see. I think most of you would have seen this already, but I wasn't able to afford it when it first came out. But now I can. So, and that's mostly thanks to you guys. Okay. I love that box too. I'm trying to be delicate because I like the boxes. Ooh, look at that. I haven't seen this in the flesh yet. Alright, the mini controversy is here. Sorry about my nails again. Really gross. Alright, let's open this baby up. Oh. Look, put it back, is there? I haven't really had a serious look at these shades. Oh, the simulation. Yes. There we go. Simulation's gonna look great. But put it back as well. Gonna mix that around a little bit. You have the original? Alabama Yellow, that's so awesome. Yeah, when the first came out, I couldn't afford it, but I'm glad because I liked the green shade. But yeah, that's finally got the mini controversy after a year and a bit. But you can't say Jeffree Star doesn't make great shit because you look at it. Look how beautiful this is. Look at the iridescence. Focus. Focus. There we go. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Busty Onion, hello. Now, what else did I finally get? What was the other thing that I finally got? Oh, that has been a long time coming. And I wanted one since they came out. Oh, dear. Right. I still love Shane's palette. Me too. How could you not? Alright, I'm gonna need some scissors for this. I almost don't want to, like, open anything because it's so beautiful. I want to break your heart. Get away from murder. Put on some makeup. Watched Hedwig and the Angry Inch the other night. 6 inches forward and 5 inches back. I got an angry inch. Show you what I'm actually doing. I almost don't want to ruin anything because, like, there we go. She submitted. Darling. Alright, let's do this properly. Oh god. It's actually quite difficult to do in this small little space, but I'm gonna... Can you focus please, camera? What are you good for? Huh? Okay. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful! Holy shit, it's so big! It's so much bigger than I thought it would be. Oh, wow. It's huge! Oh, hello. Hi, that's a great angle. I love that. Hi, everyone. Oh, by the way, hi. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god is right. Oh, wow, it's beautiful. It is Christmas for me. Wow, I'm gonna hold it out properly. Wow, that's awesome. Wow, this is a very good mirror, and it's almost too good, because I'm looking at my face, I'm like, yikes. I will treasure this always. I wasn't sure about the grey, but I went with it, and I don't regret it, because, oh my god, it looks beautiful. The silver. And I'm going to keep this box, I think, too. Look at that. That was a magical moment opening that. Because that was like a year. I've been waiting a year to get, like, mirror. And it's so exciting. Alright, well. Oh my god. There we go, guys. Voila. More to come. I'm still thinking of getting something from Blood Sugar Anniversary. Like, even this box is gorgeous. Look at that. Like, I almost want to, like, stick that somewhere. Up my ass! No, I'm, like, somewhere serious. Like, somewhere in a bathroom or something. Or create, like, a little poster of it. I don't know. Gorgeous. Look at it. Look at it! Well. Well, that was my Jeffree Star haul. Jeffree Star x Shane Dawson. It's been a while since I've been able to afford anything. But thanks to you lovely peeps, I've been able to afford stuff. And for supporting my channel. And I'm gonna put this up. Then I'm gonna put this up as well so you can see. Oh my god, I look ratchet. That's better. Ish. Alright, let's go back to... Is there a mode on here that's gonna make me pretty? What I want to know. Hi. That's better.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.